Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, born in 1888 in Mecca, was a man whose life transcended borders, ideologies, and religions. A scholar, a freedom fighter, and one of the foremost leaders of India's independence movement, Azad left an indelible mark on the history of India. Azad's intellectual journey began early. He was deeply rooted in the study of literature, philosophy, and religion, quickly establishing himself as a prominent scholar. His understanding of history, culture, and politics shaped his vision for a united India, where people of all faiths could live in harmony. A strong advocate for Hindu-Muslim unity, Azad believed that the nation's strength lay in its diversity. At a time when India was witnessing political and social upheaval, his voice stood firm, calling for communal harmony and peace. As a key figure in the Indian National Congress, Azad played an instrumental role in India's struggle for freedom. His commitment to nonviolent resistance, following in the footsteps of Mahatma Gandhi, made him an unwavering champion of India's independence. Azad's contribution to India's educational landscape was equally profound. As the first Minister of Education in independent India, he spearheaded efforts to build a modern, progressive education system. His vision emphasized scientific education, aiming to bridge the gap between India's rich cultural heritage and the modern world. Under his leadership, institutions like the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, were established, shaping generations of young minds and helping India take strides towards becoming a global powerhouse in education and innovation. A prolific writer, Azad's works spanned across essays, poetry, and a monumental history of India's freedom struggle. His writing continues to inspire and educate, preserving the memory of the struggles and sacrifices made for India's independence. Azad's vision for India was a secular, inclusive nation where all communities would coexist peacefully. His legacy remains influential to this day, reminding us of the importance of unity, education, and nonviolence in building a better future for all. Knowledge is the life of the soul. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad,